Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video I will show you how to send a sign request without security option. Right-click on your PDF and select Open Edit. This is a real example of a non-disclosure agreement. First we are going to add recipient name. Click on Edit PDF. You can see we do have a lot of tools available to us. Go ahead and select text box. Simply double-click and write recipient name. Make sure the text is aligned. The best tip here is to use your keyboard arrows. Once that is done, we are going to assign what needs to be filled by recipient. Click on Sign Request. We have many options here. You can add text, numbers, sign, initials, date, checkbox, and radio button. Each one of them have their own benefits and use. We will start with the signature request. Now add new recipient. Fill in required information. Make this recipient selected and click Submit. Drag signature to correct location. Now we are going to add a text box. Click on Sign Request and select Text Box. Adjust the size to your needs and place it next to printed name. Choose recipient you have created beforehand. Since we need one more text box, scroll down and select Duplicate. The duplicates will be already assigned to the recipient. All you need to do now is place them correctly. Now the document is ready, please click on Finish. You have three options to choose from. Saved as PDF, export to PDF and export to a new PDF and keep original document. With sign requests, save PDF would be default. Now the PDF is saved and the document is ready to go. Right-click on the PDF and select Sign Request. Your recipient is selected automatically based on your sign requests. Adding extra security is optional, but we will not do that in this video. You can select option Mark as completed. This means that the sender is not required to sign. Since we are going to sign this document, we do not select this option and send the document. The document status changed from draft to in process. This means we are waiting for the recipient to sign the document. I will log into my other account and show you how does it look like from a recipient point of view. Go to Signing Request section. We have a pending document here. Go ahead and click on Sign. Now you have time to read the document and decide if you want to sign it or decline. If you decide to decline, you can either write a reason why or record a voice message as well. For demonstration reasons, we do accept this document. Please click on Cancel. Now rather than looking where we need to sign, simple click on Next and FilesDNA will move you straight to the signatures. Repeat this process and fill in the required information. All done. Click on Finish. Now you can download the file. Just remember it won't be complete until the sender signs it. Click on Home. As you can see, the PDF is not yet appearing in your documents. The sender first needs to sign it and complete it. Now I will go back to the sender account and carry on with the process. The status of the PDF now shows pending owner. To be completed, it needs to be signed by sender. Right-click on the PDF and select Open Edit. The only options we have available now are Sign and Initials. This means we cannot edit or make any changes in this PDF at this point. This is very important for the document integrity. Click on Sign PDF. Drag the signature to correct location and click on Finish. The system will ask you to confirm your decision. Please click on Finish once more. Now if we go to Sign Requests, you will see confirmation that the document was signed. Head back to the documents. The document status has now changed to completed. Now I will log into the recipient account just to confirm we have received the document. Right-click on the PDF and select Open Edit. The document is saved and completed. Well done! You have just sent and signed your first signature request. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.